Hello guys. If you are tired of running out of baseball 9 gems, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to get unlimited gems. Whether you're using an iPhone, Android, or tablet, this method will work for everyone. So let's start getting them. First, we will go to this website, appxfree.com, or the link in the first comment. Then select Baseball 9. This is the tool that we are using to claim the gems. So, we will type our game username or game ID, as you see on my game. Then we'll select a device. For me, I will select an Android. After that, click Connect. Now it says to choose the amount we want. I will select 5,700 gems. So it says that we have to unlock our items manually, so click Unlock Now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to complete 2 of these offers to get our gems. I will finish 2 of these and I will be back. So it seems that my gems have been unlocked after I complete the 2 offers. Let's open the game and check them. This is the exact amount of gems that we chose earlier, and I can spend it without problems. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share it with your friends. That's it for this video. Bye!